Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain some of the previous NEET multiple choice questions asked in between 2013 and 2020. NEET 2013 question number 1. Which of the following metabolite is common to respiration mediated breakdown of fats, carbohydrates and proteins? First option glucose 6 phosphate, second option fructose 1,6 bisphosphate, third option pyruvic acid, fourth option acetyl coenzyme A. In this, the correct answer is fourth option acetyl coenzyme A. When fats, carbohydrates and proteins are participated in respiratory pathway, commonly it can produce acetyl coenzyme A than it involved in Krebs cycle. NEET 2013 question number 2. The three boxes given in the diagram, these are the three major biosynthetic pathways in aerobic respiration. In these, arrows represent reactants or product. The arrow number 4, 8, 12 all will be first option NADH, second option ATP, third option H2O, fourth option FAD plus or FADH2. The correct answer is second option ATP. In this, the aerobic respiratory pathway, the 4, 8, 12, it indicates releasing of ATP. NEET 2016 phase 2 question number 3. Oxidative phosphorylation is first option formation of ATP by transfer of phosphate group from a substrate to ADP. Second option oxidation of phosphate group in ATP. Third option addition of phosphate to ATP. Fourth option formation of ATP by energy released from electron removed during substrate oxidation. In this, the correct answer is fourth option. Oxidative phosphorylation, it indicates that whenever the electron is removed from suitable substrate molecule, it undergoes oxidation. Due to this oxidation, there is a formation of ATP molecule in respiration is called oxidative phosphorylation. NEET 2017 question number 4. Which statement is wrong for Krebs cycle? First option, there is a one point in the cycle where FAD plus is reduced to FADH2. Second option, during conversion of succinyl coenzyme A to succinic acid, a molecule of GTP is synthesized. Third option, the cycle starts with the condensation of acetyl group or acetyl-CoA with pyruvic acid to yield citric acid. Fourth option, there are 3 points in the cycle where NAD plus is reduced to NADH plus H plus. After this fourth statement, the incorrect statement is third option. The cycle starts with condensation of acetyl group with a pyruvic acid to yield citric acid. So here pyruvic acid is not involved in Krebs cycle. Here only acetyl coenzyme is involved. So the third option is the wrong option. NEET 2018 question number 5. What is the role of NAD plus in cellular respiration? First option, it functions as an enzyme. Second option, it functions as an electron carrier. Third option, it is a nucleotide source for ATP synthesis. Fourth option, it is the final electron acceptor for anaerobic respiration. In this, the correct answer is second option. In cellular respiration, NAD plus, it functions as electron carrier. NEET 2018 question number 6. Which of the following statement is incorrect? First option, enzymes of TCA cycle are present in mitochondrial matrix. Second option, glycolysis occur in cytosol. Third option, glycolysis operates as long as it is supplied with NAD that can pick up hydrogen atom. Fourth option, oxidative phosphorylation take place in outer mitochondrial membrane. In this, the incorrect statement is oxidative phosphorylation take place in outer mitochondrial membrane is the wrong one. It takes place in inner mitochondrial membrane. NEET 2019 phase 1 question number 7. Respiratory quotient RQ value of tripalmitin is first option 0.9, second option 0.7, third option 0.07, fourth option 0.09. In this, the correct answer is second option. Whenever tripalmitin it is participate in respiratory process, its RQ value become 0.7. NEET 2019 phase 1. Question number 8. Conversion of glucose to glucose 6-phosphate. The first irreversible reaction of glycolysis is catalyzed by first option aldolase enzyme, second option hexokinase enzyme, third option enolase enzyme, fourth option phosphofructokinase enzyme. In this, the correct answer is second option hexokinase enzyme. Because hexokinase enzyme it convert glucose into glucose 6-phosphate by adding or utilizing ATP molecule. NEET 2019 phase 2 question number 9. Where is respiratory electron transport system located in plants? The first option mitochondrial matrix, second option outer mitochondrial membrane, third option inner mitochondrial membrane, fourth option intermembrane space. The correct answer is third option. The entire electron transport system in respiration in plants is located in inner membrane of mitochondria. NEET 2020 phase 1 question number 10. The number of substrate level phosphorylation in 1 ton of citric acid cycle is first option 0, second option 1, third option 2, fourth option 3. The correct answer is second option. In entire Krebs cycle or citric acid cycle or TCA cycle, there is only one substrate level of phosphorylation. So that second option is the correct one. NEET 2020 phase 2 question number 11. Pyruvate dehydrogenase activity during aerobic respiration requires first option calcium, second option iron, third option cobalt, and fourth option magnesium. The correct answer is fourth option. Whenever pyruvate dehydrogenase it participates in pyruvic acid oxidative decarboxylation, for this enzyme activation it need magnesium ions. So these are the previous NEET multiple choice questions from respiration in plants chapter asked in between 2013 and 2020. Thanks for watching.